Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing. HomePod Mini needs an initial setup with an iPhone, iPad, or Mac. You borrow one, sign into an Apple ID, and complete the on-device setup. This writes Wi-Fi and home settings to the HomePod. Once done, make sure the HomePod is on the same network as your Android. This step is required because the HomePod stores network credentials and home configuration that let Android send audio later. Now you switch to Android. Install a trusted AirPlay Sender app or use a media app that supports AirPlay output. Open the sender, scan for devices, and choose the HomePod Mini. The devices must be on the same Wi-Fi subnet, so disable VPNs or separate guest networks. Once selected, press play. Audio is streamed via AirPlay to the HomePod. Make sure the sender app keeps running if you want system audio. Some apps only stream their own. Finish by mastering control. Adjust volume in your Android app or on the HomePod itself, and remember Siri features remain tied to Apple devices. If you need full system audio, use a Bridge app or run a DLNA/AirPlay server on a PC as an intermediary. If pairing fails, first restart the router, the HomePod, and your Android device, then retry. If problems persist, reset the HomePod and redo the initial setup with an iOS.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.